Gitimbe mag maundi mopogore kamotingo kuo mar nyamburko ya apaya maduong' mawuok Nairobi kochimo Mombasa odine giete sendo obila Mavoi bang' apisas mag obila ndhiyogi. Komishona mar obila e gwenge mag Taita Taveta Josephine Onunga oyango ni achije go nomaki bang' yudo maling'ling kotenore gi timbegi mag maundu kamotingo nyaka lal gi derepe mag nyamburko madhi safar maboyo. Onunga bende noyango ni gisejiwo arita e kaunti ma Taita Taveta ahinya to kinde nyasi mar Pasaka ka bende jiwo derepe mondo obed motang' e kinde ma gitiyo gi apaya makono.
I want to urge our drivers and the road users, especially along the highways. The highway Nairobi to Mombasa, the highway Voi to Taveta, among others, including our highways which are not tarmacked like Njukini, Taveta. Please be very, very cautious during this time. There is a lot of movement on our roads. So first of all, let's also observe road safety so that we save our lives and we ensure that all our families reach the destinations where they're going and all the businesses we are doing are conducted safely along our highways.
Ramogi sa abiro gideka pradeko da chielo dan wachakwa kao yue machielo chenro en mar migago podweko ni weche mathoth kete mane Ramogi TV.
People didn't believe that I bought my Land Rover Discovery from just influencer money. Yeah. Can anyone make money online? Yes. Content is like losing weight. You kind of have to just do it for a long period of time for you to actually see those results. Where money is a motivator, for me, fear and shame just don't exist because this is where